So how to restore image playground apps missing on your iPhone. If you accidentally delete it, go to your setting, then go general, and from here go region and language, then select United States, and if you already have United States, then it's okay, no need to change. So once done, now go back and go to App Store. Now simply type image playground, then you are able to see your apps. Just install it, and if this method not working, then another way, check my video description. I will give you a direct download link for these apps. Just click on these apps, then you easily install it on your iPhone. It's a direct link actually. And if this still not working, then just go to your general, press on reset, and reset all setting. So no erase data or any data loss, so don't worry about it. Just reset all setting, network setting, and control panel as well. Once you reset, then hope you will be add, and make sure your Apple Intelligent also enable for your phone. So this is the solution actually. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.